Do you feel that your English is correct but still sounds very simple? Do you use basic sentences again and again and want to sound more fluent and impressive? If yes, then this lesson will help you understand the difference between basic and advanced English sentences, and how you can upgrade your speaking step by step. First, understand one important thing. Basic English is not wrong. It is correct and useful. But advanced English makes your speaking more powerful, more natural, and more confident. So the goal is not to avoid basic English. The goal is to upgrade it slowly. Let's start with a simple example. Basic sentence, I am very happy. Advanced sentence, I am delighted. Both sentences have the same meaning. But the second one sounds more fluent and more natural. Now another example. Basic, I am very tired. Advanced, I am exhausted. Basic, this is very big. Advanced, this is massive. Basic, this is very good. Advanced, this is excellent. You can see the pattern. Instead of using very again and again, you use stronger words. This is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your English. Now let's go deeper. Basic sentences are usually short and simple. For example, I like this movie. It is good. I watch it daily. These sentences are correct. But they sound very basic. Now let's upgrade them. I really like this movie because it is very interesting, and I watch it almost every day. Now the sentence is longer, smoother, and more natural. So what changed? We added connectors. Words like and, because, so. These connectors help you join ideas and make longer sentences. Now let's practice this idea. Basic, I am tired. Basic, I will sleep. Advanced, I am tired, so I will go to sleep. Basic, I am learning English. Basic, I want to improve. Advanced, I am learning English because I want to improve my communication. This is how you build advanced sentences. Now let's talk about another important point. Basic English uses simple words. Advanced English uses more expressive words. For example, basic, I am scared. Advanced, I am terrified. Basic, I am hungry. Advanced, I am starving. Basic, I am angry. Advanced, I am furious. These words make your English more powerful. But remember one thing. Do not try to use too many advanced words at once. First, become comfortable with basic speaking. Then slowly replace simple words with better words. Now let's talk about sentence structure. Basic sentences usually follow a simple pattern. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, I eat food. I watch TV. I play games. Now let's upgrade them. I eat healthy food to stay fit. I watch TV in my free time because I enjoy it. I play games when I want to relax. Now your sentences are longer and more meaningful. Now let's practice with daily life examples. Basic, I woke up early. Basic, I felt tired. Advanced, I woke up early, but I was still feeling tired. Basic, I went to the market. Basic, I bought fruits. Advanced, I went to the market and bought some fresh fruits. This is how you connect ideas and improve your speaking. Now let's talk about tone. Basic English sounds flat. Advanced English sounds natural and expressive. For example, basic, I am happy. Advanced, I am really happy today. Basic, I like this place. Advanced, I really like this place, it feels very comfortable. Adding small details makes your sentence more natural. Now let's do a small practice together. Repeat after me. Basic, I am very happy. Advanced, I am delighted. Basic, I am very tired. Advanced, I am exhausted. Basic, it is very good. Advanced, it is excellent. Again. Basic, I am very happy. Advanced, I am delighted. Basic, I am very tired. Advanced, I am exhausted. Basic, it is very good. Advanced, it is excellent. Now say it with confidence. Now let's build a short advanced conversation. Basic conversation. How are you? I am fine. Advanced conversation. How are you doing today? I am doing great, thank you. Basic, what are you doing? Advanced, what are you working on right now? Basic, I am busy. Advanced, I am a bit busy at the moment. You can see the difference. Now let's talk about one important mistake. Do not try to sound advanced by using very difficult words that you don't understand. Your English should be clear and natural, not complicated. Simple and clear English is always better than complex and confusing English. Now imagine your progress. If you practice upgrading your sentences daily, your English will improve step by step. You will sound more confident. You will sound more fluent. And people will understand you better. Now final practice. Repeat after me. I improve my English every day. I upgrade my sentences step by step. I speak confidently. Again. I improve my English every day. I upgrade my sentences step by step. I speak confidently. Now feel the confidence. So start today. Use basic English. Then slowly upgrade it. Add better words. Add connectors. And your English will become advanced naturally.